A lot of parents seem to be losing so-called, I don't want to use control, but they seem to be losing influence over their children. So what is your experience? What is your insight? What should they do?
See, the economic emphasis or economy's emphasis or being successful, viewed as being financially successful, have created a sort of a drive among parents and others that I got to make more money than anything I can think of. I got to be number one in my company. I got to be this. So when that kind of a quest of incentives, of economic prosperity rather than stability in the family, etc., take precedence, automatically something suffers. So unfortunately we have 24 hours. Now previously you spent only 8 hours for the business, whatever you were doing, let us say. Now that 8 hours became 16 hours. Then something is given way. What is the number one priority should be, that is the family first, children first. That is gone. Unfortunately, they took it from US. The US prosperity was exactly that. When a kid becomes 16 years, you are on your own. And even before 16 years, when the kid becomes 4 years or more, the parents probably did not do much time with them. There was a nanny, or there was some kind of a babysitter or something else, and the kid doesn't see, so the relationship was not there. So when they became affluent and rich, suddenly the kid also is rich, but the kid does not see the love, and the kid has been loved by druggists, drug pushers, and went into this stuff. And at the same time, the Americans and Britishers found why the Asians, Indians, Chinese, etc., their children are always going to the number one spot. And these children, even though they were bright, but they are diverting their time into either drug or movies or some stupid things. And therefore, suddenly the people have felt, all right, there is some value in this Asian society. Namely, that these guys are sacrificing the parents. They are working also, but also putting the children's welfare as number one priority and willing to sacrifice. So why not we learn that? So while the Americans and the Britishers have learned the values of Asian society, but the Asian parents today, drawn by the music world, or drawn by the movie world, drawn by the fake world and tinsel world and whatnot, we lost our core values. And we think the American life is the right way to do it. So with the results right now, many of the people are more, especially after economic liberalization, which is positive. I am very far for that. But at the same time, there are some negatives came. And the negatives saying this affluence made a distance. So they are also spending time, and the children are somewhere. The first 4 years may be all right, because the children do not know much and they are in the house and you see them out of necessity. But the moment you go, and note that when the child is 3rd year or 4th year, now we are putting at kindergarten or pre-kindergarten, whatever it is. So we distance the kid right away, which is really the American culture. So when they are embracing our culture, we are embracing their stupid culture, thinking that it is good. And what happens, we put nannies, then when you become a senior, the kid is going to say, it is my turn now. You go to a nanny, or you go to a senior citizen home, and you are not wanted. So there is no point in blaming the daughter-in-law for that. The obvious thing is the daughter-in-law spoiled the whole thing, or the son-in-law spoiled the whole thing, or son-in-law has become henpecked. These are all nonsense. The point is, we have to view the family is the number one asset. The financial stability is needed, but that is number 2 only. Anything else, and we lost our spiritual value. For example, the father takes the children to a bhajan, to a temple. Where is that? The father goes to bhajan. No. Even they don't want the mother. Even father and mother sleep in 2 different rooms because they are affluent. Now there are 4 bedrooms. And that is, everybody is having sound sleep. Sound for the other, sleep for you. So therefore they are in 2 different places. Where is life? What has happened to us? I think, therefore, just because you neglected the child when you are adult and stronger, when the child becomes the adult and you become weak, it will turn. What goes around comes around.